morning. Ini hari kedua kita. Kemarin kita udah dari KMP. Nah, hari ini kita on the way ke AST. Perjalanan dari Amsterdam kurang lebih 1,5 jam ke headquarternya AST Moton. Kita akan training AST dan Moton untuk semua line up-nya. Nanti kita akan belajar gimana cara untuk rebuild suspensinya semua, dan apa aja spesifikasinya untuk nge-spec mobilnya juga kita akan diajarin di sana. Jadi stay tune. Halo guys, hello. So kita udah sampai di Belanda. Kita ada di headquarternya IST Suspension dan Moton Suspension. Nah, hari ini kita bersama dengan Mr. Koen.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're right.
you can introduce yourself to the.
Yeah. My name is Koen, and I'm from AST Moton Suspension. I'm CEO of the company, and I'm going to show you around.
Yeah, okay. Let's check how the AST Moton Suspension built here. So, what area is there?
This is our area where we do all the development. So we bring in the car here, we measure everything, and then we take the dampers off, bring them upstairs for our engineers to make the drawings, and then we develop the kit.
Okay. So, how's the process to have a good measurement for the?
Yeah, so what we do, we measure the whole car. We know what the full droop is, what the compression is. So we calculate the motion ratio of the car, and then with the motion ratio, we can also control the frequency of the car. And then with the frequency of the car, we determine what spring rates you want and what kind of setting you want in the damper.
Okay, so in how the base you can set up for the spring rate? The street use or
So we know that frequency of 0.8 to 1 hertz is for street. So we know, okay, this is for street. Then we calculate the spring rate, and then we know that between 1.2 and 1.4 is more for club sport. And then if you go to really high aero car with like a lot of spoilers, like a flat bottom, you can go higher in the frequency, which means that you can also go higher in the spring rate.
So jadi gitu guys. Jadi di sini tempatnya untuk measurement. Jadi untuk kita bikin set awal, jadi kita bisa tentuin. Mereka akan cek semuanya, clearance-nya juga, travel suspensinya semuanya. Jadi bisa sangat-sangat detail. Jadi suspensi kalian akan jadinya perfect gitu, sesuai dengan road yang kalian butuhkan. Gitu. Oke.
Yeah. Okay.
So we go to another.
Yeah. Let's go upstairs to the engineer.
Oke. Nah ini guys, jadi ini ruangan beberapa mobil-mobil yang sudah pakai Moton dan AST suspension. Can you describe a bit about all the picture in here?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, there are some of the builds that we were pretty proud of. This was one of the first M2s that we did in the USA.
Okay.
That K truck is from SEMA last year. That was a very custom build. And then behind you, there's the Porsche Cayman.
Yeah.
I call it Project Perfect because the owner of the car wants everything to be 100% perfect. Okay. So that one is on Moton 3-ways. This was one of the first Monhart GPs where we did the suspension for. Monhart is a German company, a tuner. And we did the suspension for it. Okay. So some of the key builds we like to print out in like a big canvas, and then we hang it everywhere.
Yeah. And also we see here many is using your suspension in Nürburgring, right?
Yeah, Nürburgring here.
Yeah.
This is
Hey
the
guys.
USA car.
Jadi suspensi AST Moton ini sangat-sangat recommended dibawa untuk track. Jadi udah sangat-sangat durability-nya sangat-sangat terjamin.
And this is Las Vegas. This was also the build from last year. This was our booth car. One of the first G87s in this color, because it's the Playboy color from the Rap company. And then it was the first Adro kit from Korea that was introduced and launched on this car.
Okay.
So that's why we're pretty proud of it, and that's why we show it.
Okay.
This Porsche won Le Mans a couple times, so that's why we have it here. It's also running Moton 4-ways,
Okay.
and that's why we have it here.
So the Moton and IST already how long the company?
25 years. This year, 25 years.
Oke.
Yes.
25 tahun, jadi sudah sangat-sangat experience dengan suspensi yang akan di-setup.
Yeah. And the founder of AST started with suspension 50 years ago.
Oke, the founder is already 50 tahun yang lalu sudah mulai mastering di dunia suspensi.
Yeah.
Oke. Jadi ini sekarang bagian engineering semuanya ada di sini. Ya.
So this is the office. We have Rick, Fons, and then normally Willem sits here as our engineers, and then Kevin does all the marketing, and then works also on the SEMA data, the pictures, videos, etc. As you can see here, we also do suspension for roller coasters all over the world. So if you have not experienced our suspension yet in a car, you maybe experienced our dampers on a roller coaster before.
Ya, jadi suspensi AST and Moton ini nggak hanya di dunia mobil saja, tapi banyak dipakai di roller coaster, Disney dan macam-macam penggunaan lainnya juga.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Let's get into the assembly room.
Okay.
So for now, this is the assembly room. It's a little bit cramped right now because we're growing and we're moving into a new facility. But everything that has been sold all over the world is made here in this room.
Okay. So we can check. Ini jadi tempat assembly-nya semua. Jadi production-nya ada di sini. Untuk jadi setiap barang-barang yang mereka produce di factory mereka di sini.
So this is behind us. There's 2 dyno machines. We use the dynos to set up 2-ways, 3-ways, and 4-way suspension because it needs to be set up on the dyno. And it's also a quality check.
Yeah.
So every kit that's used for racing or competition is put on the dyno, and we can check with the graph if it's built perfectly or not.
Ya.
If it's not perfect, then we take it apart and then we make it again.
Ya. Jadi info sebelumnya juga kita dapat info kalau kenapa harus di dyno, suspensi 2-way dan 3-way itu harus di dyno agar kanan kiri, depan belakang itu harus balance semuanya, jadi kanan kirinya sama gitu. Jadi gak satu shock sebelah kiri lebih ini, satu kanan lebih ini. Jadi semua kliknya juga sama gitu. Oke.
So in this room, we don't only make new dampers, but we also do rebuild. And that's why we are training one of your guys.
Ya, that's our guy there. Jadi kita send head mekanik kita di sini untuk training supaya kita bisa ada service center nantinya di kemudian hari dalam waktu dekat terutama. Jadi semua yang udah pesen atau pakai AST dan Moton bisa service nanti di kita. Gitu.
Let's get into the parts room.
Okay. So, Mr. Kun, what is this damper about?
Okay, so this is, it's funny that you asked, because this is for SEMA.
Okay.
This is a very custom project for SEMA. It's a Toyota Celica, the old one. And we made some custom suspension for it.
Okay.
And it's going to have like a pushrod system in the rear and an S13 suspension in the front.
Okay.
That's why we made this custom setup.
Okay.
The setup we have over here is a very old but very cool WTCC setup. It's used Moton, a lot of amazing machining parts. Also feel the weight, how light it is.
Oh, it's very light.
Yeah. So it's super cool. This is like very historical racing.
Yeah.
And the cool thing with this is that we can still open it, we can still rebuild it,
Yeah,
check if everything is okay, even though this is already 20 years old.
Yeah.
We can
So
still work on
all the suspension that we buy, so
Yeah.
all can functionally like new again.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah,
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Oke. Jadi guys, semuanya nih bisa kita rebuild ya. Jadi semua suspensi dari internal sampai ganti oli semuanya juga bisa di servis semuanya. So one thing, what the oil do you use here?
We have a special Shell oil. It's a special hydraulic oil that is made for us, and so it would be nice if you could use the same oil in your service center in Indonesia.
Oke. Jadi oil yang dipakai di AST dan Moton ini spesifikasinya sangat khusus, dipakai untuk pesawat terbang.
The good thing with this oil is that it functions the same in high temperature and super low temperature.
Okay.
So it's also used in aviation, like in airplanes, because the oil needs to function when it's cold, but it's also super hot.
Oke.
So it's always consistent. Doesn't matter how many laps you've done around the ring or around your racetrack. It always functions the same, and that's very important that it's stable.
Ya.
Okay, so this is for now. This is our stock area with all the parts. With these parts, we make the ASTs and we also produce the Motons. There are a couple parts that are interchangeable between Moton and AST, like the springs we use on both brands, the top mounts we use on both brands, and the shims we use on both brands, and the hoses for the reservoirs.
Okay.
But everything else is very separate, very different. Yes.
Okay. Maybe later you can explain us about the AST and Moton in another video.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oke, let's go. Jadi guys, semuanya di sini partnya, misalkan kalian tabrakan, tidak perlu untuk beli satu set shock atau satu shock aja. Jadi semuanya partnya kita bisa rebuild semuanya di sini. Jadi udah tersedia semuanya in-house.
Yeah, so all the almost everything you see here is made in-house. Downstairs in the factory, like all the pistons, that is a very important part for your damper, which is like the heart of your damper.
Yeah.
This makes sure what kind of graph you have in your damper and how the car feels.
Yeah.
So this is one of the most important parts that we have, and that's also why they're packaged like separately.
Yeah.
Every piston has his own little space.
Yeah.
Because if you would drop this on the floor, you can throw it away.
Yeah.
Because you cannot use it anymore.
Okay.
So they need to be perfect and they need to be dent free.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why we package them so nice.
What is the difference of your AST and Moton the pistons to other brand?
Yeah, well, obviously they're machined here in house. They're bigger than most other brands, and they're also smoother on the inside. Therefore, the oil flows through the pistons a lot better. And our AST, but also our Moton piston is a little bit concave, which gives you a very nice feeling on high-speed bumps. So, especially on the ASTs, it's very comfortable driving if you have like a bumpy road.
Yeah. Okay.
And then the Moton is a very endurance race piston, so it's more hard, it's more less comfortable. But I will let you feel it on my car.
Yeah. Okay. Let's check. So we go. Nah guys, misalkan kalian juga udah beli AST Moton, suspensinya kan pakainya linear spring. Jadi kit ini juga kita bisa ganti spring rate-nya nanti mau lebih keras atau lebih empuk. Jadi bisa sesuai dengan kebutuhan kalian. Jadi kalau misalkan kalian mau track, spring rate-nya bisa dinaikin, dan juga kita akan bisa kerjain revolving shock-nya nanti. Jadi bisa tepat untuk spring rate yang akan kita ganti ke depannya. Nah ini jadi pabrik machiningnya ya, jadi satu sister company with AST and Moton. Ya, jadi tempat ini satu dari 5 factory untuk build part-part dari AST and Moton. Jadi gede banget ya, ini nggak main-main. Alat-alatnya juga yang digunain sangat up to date, dan juga nanti kita lihat mesin baru dari mereka ya. Jadi ada beberapa mesin baru dari mereka.
A lot of parts in-house, very critical parts. The machines that need to be perfect, but also the aftercare. So what we do, after we machined it, everything goes to our measuring room, where we check everything with the machine to make sure that all tolerances are good and that the production process was very good. Okay. So there's one measuring room over here and another one a little bit further downstairs.
Oke. Jadi setelah mesin-mesin ini produksi barang-barangnya, ini adalah salah satu tempat untuk ngecek quality dari ketepatan ukuran dari produk yang barang-barang yang dibuat di machining.
So all the parts that we check in our measuring rooms, they need to be there for at least an hour, because all the rooms are climatized.
Okay.
It needs to be in the same temperature always before we measure it.
Okay.
because the temperature will make the material a little bit bigger or smaller.
Okay.
So this is our tooling area. Our tooling area is updated every day. After the people from the machine use the tools, they bring it back here, and they're being checked. If everything is okay, it goes back on stock.
Okay.
If it's not okay, they order a new piece, new tool, and then it comes in, and then they put it back on stock.
Oke.
So it needs to be fresh all the
Ya.
time.
Jadi tools yang dipakai juga di saat ini untuk di mesin yang ini semuanya setelah dipakai akan dicek kembali. Kenapa dicek kembali? Kadang kan kita menggunakan mata bor atau apa lama-lama sudah aus atau something. Jadi itu udah akan dicek kembali. Bila udah jelek itu akan kemudian diorderkan alat baru, alat mata bor baru atau ini untuk supaya produksinya juga tepat. So guys, ini mesin barunya mereka. Can you tell me about your new machine?
Yeah, this is it's a new machine. It's robotized, so it can run 24/7. As long as we put material and programs, the machine can run by himself all the time. You can see there's a high pallet place over there with all different drawers.
Yeah.
As long as you put material in there and you put programs, it just keeps continue running by himself.
Okay.
It can load and unload by himself, and if you calculate all the axes, it's an 11-axis machine.
Oke. So this is the new one.
Yes.
Very new one. Jadi guys, ini alatnya 11 aksis CNC, terus kemudian bisa mengerjakannya 24 jam karena ini pakai robot. Jadi tinggal masukin programnya aja, nanti dia jalan sendiri 24 jam. 24 hour, right?
Yeah. This is what 1.7 million euro looks like.
Ini harganya 1,7 million euro. Jadi it's crazy price. Jadi investment mereka untuk AST dan Mountain nggak main-main, dari investment mesin juga alat-alat semuanya sangat-sangat proper.
So, for example, these are wheels. This machine can machine front and back in one go.
Oke.
That's why it's so efficient.
Oke.
So the good thing with this machine is that we produce our top mount plates in here. So the G80 top mounts, but also F chassis, all the top mounts that we need are made in here. The good thing is that we can program it for only 2 plates,
Oke.
or 20 plates, or 100 plates. It doesn't matter because the robot just takes the material, machines it, puts it back. So we can start up the computer, and then the next morning we have our top mount plates.
Oke. Jadi ini sangat efektif untuk produksi mereka. Jadi apalagi untuk kan part AST Mountain banyak yang CNC custom. Nah, ini sangat cepat banget untuk produksinya. Jadi guys, ini mau dikasih lihat sedikit cara kerja mesin CNC-nya. Jadi udah full, kita tinggal masukin program, nanti dia otomatis ngerjain sendiri, ya. Ini this is the piston, right? Ya. How to produce the piston? Ya.
The cool thing with this is that it machines from both sides. So the material comes in from there, then it machines here, and then that takes the material, and then it takes the tool there and it machines it there.
Okay.
So you can make the full piston on one machine without taking it out and put it back in.
Okay, that's great. So it's details.
So for this machine it takes about 8 minutes
Okay.
to machine a piston. On the older stuff you need to take it out, put it back in, and it could be double.
Okay. So no need doing some adjustment, only one time.
Yeah.
Put the material.
Yeah, load the program and
Yeah.
then the material comes in and then it just machines it.
Yeah. So this one very advanced.
This is Bart. Bart produces a lot of parts for AST. He's working on outer cases right now.
Okay.
And I spoke to you about the thread before.
Yeah.
He makes a very custom thread on the outer cases.
Okay.
So that's it's not too sharp, and you don't damage your platforms.
Yeah.
So those are these pieces.
This one the pieces. Can I take it?
Yeah.
Jadi guys, ini threadnya ini special thread ya. Jadi AST Mountain kan kita biasanya lihat di brand-brand lain tuh ininya kasar. Threadnya tuh dalam artian lurus-lurus aja. Nah ini tuh ada sedikit kayak trapesiumnya dan sangat berfungsi kalau kalian lagi adjustment right height. Nah ini threadnya nggak akan rusak karena dirt segala macam kotoran itu nggak akan susah untuk nyangkut di bagian ini. Ya. Jadi kalian nggak usah khawatir, semua barang misalkan kalian butuh ready immediately, misalkan terjadi sesuatu di mobil kalian, nah kita bisa supply, mereka bisa supply ke kami lebih cepat. Gitu. So all the raw material also produced here.
Yeah,
in
the
Netherlands.
raw materials comes in there. We buy the raw material,
Okay.
and then we cut it to pieces. Like all those crates,
Yeah.
they're full of like tubes
Yeah,
for
yeah.
all our shock bodies.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And then that's aluminium,
Yeah.
and that's steel.
Yeah.
And then they cut it in pieces,
Uh-huh.
and then they go to the machine, and then they put thread on it.
Uh-huh.
They machine the inside.
Yeah.
Then it goes to the welder, who welds
Yeah.
like a bottom in it.
Yeah.
And then after welding, it goes to KTL treatment,
Uh-huh.
and then it comes back like the black outer
yeah,
case
yeah.
that you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then we go bring it upstairs, and then they produce the
Assembly,
damper.
okay.
Yep.
Ya. Dan jadi ini area untuk produk-produk stok mereka untuk sebelum di machining. Jadi ini ditaruh di sini dulu, semua mesinnya ada aluminium, ada besi, dan semuanya sebelum nanti setelah machining nanti akan dibawa untuk KTL treatment atau coating spesial untuk anti korosi.
So in coming December, we're going to rebuild our production area.
Yeah.
It's going to move into this area.
Ya.
So from 5 workspaces, we're gonna, or 5 assembly spots, we're gonna go to 15.
Ya.
So a lot bigger.
Yeah.
And then there's gonna be a wall over here,
Yeah.
and that's gonna be our stock area. So
Okay.
everything is gonna be almost triple the size of what we are right now.
Oke. Jadi guys, di Desember nanti AST Moton ini akan melakukan pengembangan lagi. Jadi di area ini akan dibikin untuk assembly line, juga nanti akan jadi tempat stok. Jadi produksinya akan lebih cepat, lead time-nya will be faster, right?
Yeah.
When you order, jadi lebih cepat.
Yeah, more people,
Yeah.
quicker,
Yeah.
and almost 3 times the size. So
Yeah.
also more efficient.
Yeah, so that we know your AST Moton is growing fast.
Yes.
Yeah. So ini yang kalian akan pergi ke SIMA, nanti jangan lupa datang ke booth-nya mereka, AST and Moton. Dia akan ada booth di SIMA Show 2024 di Las Vegas.
Yeah, if someone is coming to SEMA,
Yeah.
they're more than welcome to visit the booth. You
Just
can
say hi
recognize
to
it
him.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, come and say hi.
Yeah.
All right.
Oke.